Welcome to Bilal Farm, alias Bilal Farm Nigeria. If you are watching us for the first time, please subscribe and like our channel. What we bring to you today is the installation of manure scraper. You can see we have already installed the scraper. This is the scraping machine. As you are seeing it, this is how we do it. This blade, this one is 2 row. As you can see it, this is first row, while the other one is second row. So likewise, this one also, this one is another one. This first row and this second row. We just install it because they have been using the pen before and they never installed the manure scraper, so we try to install it for them. So we want to test it for them now, just to know that the work that we did for them is confirmed and it's also good. So in case you want to buy any other cages, we are into poultry. We are doing cage, manual cage, automatic, and all any kind of agro machine that you want to install. We can install it for you. If you want to buy it, we are available. You can call us on our phone number +234 7055 7858 26. If you are in Nigeria, 070 55 78 58 26. So this is the back of the manure scraper. You can see the first machine is here. This is it. You can see it. This first line for the other one, while this is the second blade for the fourth row. In case you want to buy cages, both locally fabricated and automated, we can do it for you. Or you buy it, you are looking for somebody that want to install it for you, you can try to call us on our number +234 7055 7858 26. If you can see it, and also this is the panel for the machine. This forward, while this one is reverse. Anyone, it can be reverse or forward, because this one is stop. This is the panel. This is the first panel. This one is the circuit breaker that they use to control the tool when they on the generator or their lights, so that the light will not come direct to the panel, so it will come direct to this place before they on it. This is the circuit breaker, and this one is second panel. You can see it. This is the first one, while this one is the second one. So this is the machine. That one is the first one. This one is the first machine, while this other one is the second machine. In case you want to buy it, or you have already buy it, you want to install it, you can still call our number or chat us on WhatsApp +234 55 78 58 26 070 55 78 58 26. Thank you. Do have a blessed day.